Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hardware and phone ready. Turn on Bluetooth and make sure visibility or scanning is active. Keep AirPods in the open case within 1 to 2 meters. If your Android lacks advanced audio controls, install a companion app now so you can access EQ and firmware indicators. Once done, tap Bluetooth Scan and do not close the case. This initiates pairing advertising. Make sure notifications and location permissions are allowed because some apps require them to detect nearby devices. You should now pair and tune audio behavior. Tap the AirPods Pro entry in Bluetooth and accept pairing. If prompted, confirm any code. Next, open the Android app to enable features like equalizer presets, spatial audio emulation, and microphone routing because Android lacks native Apple controls. Once connected, set media versus call audio priority, adjust left/right balance, and test with music and a voice call. If latency appears, switch codec preferences in the app or Android developer options to lower latency. You finish by confirming stability and learning one core fix. Check firmware and battery indicators in the app and test sensors. Double tap or squeeze controls should trigger assigned actions. If audio cuts or calls drop, forget the AirPods and Android Bluetooth, reboot both phone and AirPods, then pair again. This resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, reset network settings on your phone as a last resort because that clears conflicting profiles. Keep the app updated to maintain compatibility and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.